Oh, see the chicken! Where's the chicken? Over here! Oh, chicken! Rooster! That was the girls and the roosters are boys. Hello, ladies and hello, gentlemen. They kind of look like a robot. God, I wish I could hold one of them. Look at the feet. They have dinosaur feet because they're look at their feet. They're the same exact as dinosaur feet. Yeah, they seem good. Guys, look how big that turkey is. It's so huge. Is it scared of me? Look. How can it be so fat? I like to eat that for dinner. So fast. Guys, wow. Say hi. 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 Say good morning.
So she is about 2 months.
She's quite big.
She is quite big. So the one who, would you mind? Okay, I need to take my radio out. She's gonna eat it. She's a cheeky one, aren't you, gorgeous? Yeah, so she's about 2 months, whereas the girl, little one next door, she's about she's 3 weeks. Sister.
She's so cute, little baby cow.
Come here. Nope, Octopi licking herself. So yeah, she's very. Sometimes I keep forgetting like how small they are when they're born. Like she's even smaller than this. And when she was born, it was on a really really cold day. So we had her in a wheelbarrow in the staff kitchen because she was just so tiny and it was so cold and she shouldn't have done very well without it. Hi baby, come here.
Oh, she's so cute.
She is.
Does she have a name?
She doesn't really have a name. No, we don't give any of them names until they're a bit older. But in my head, I call her Elsa. I'm kind of giving them all Disney names.
The other one should be Anna.
Yeah. If you can, I don't know if you're able to see, but come here. So they don't have any top teeth, they only have bottom teeth. And their tongues are very, very rough, like a cat.
Wow.
So when they're picking up food and when they're picking up food and everything, they wrap their tongue around like the grass or the food and they yank it up that way. And then they use that in their bottom teeth to help them eat. But they are just the sweetest creatures.
Linda, look. She'll eat it. Wait. Okay, now she's gonna eat it. Give it! Give it! Are you kidding? Give it back! So guys, her nose attacks. If you're a person, she licks you, and if it's not a person like my jacket, she'll bite like I am. She'll chew on it. And she's 3 months old. She's so cute. Stop! Don't lick my sleeves. I already have cow slobber all over my jacket. Guys, look! I told you. Wait, if I go like this, she's gonna start biting. But she needs to sniff it and lick it. Which one she likes more? Which one? What are you doing? You don't want that?